Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. I am also fit and fine. Here is Miss Abida. Welcome to Reader Grammar School Mandibadin campus. Happy Ramadan. My dear students, I have an interesting and special video for you. So let's enjoy together. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Ramzan pure our soul. Dear students, we feel happiness if we help others, if we welcome others, if we share things with one another. Dear students, we must help the poor and needy people. In this way, Ramadan give us happiness, give us peace, purgation of our soul. I hope you people must help the needy person. Welcome to English classroom. We will start our lesson with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. My dear students, join your hands and say prayer with me. I hope you have joined the hands. Let's start. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah Almighty, increase my knowledge. Ameen. Dear students, please open page number 8 of your grammar book. Today is 27th April and day is Monday. Please write day and date in the front of the page. Unit 3. Today our topic is verbs. What is the definition of the verbs? Verbs describe action. I have told the definition of the verbs in the previous lecture. Please repeat with me. Verbs describe action. Verb describes action. And what is the pronunciation of the word? It is not doing. It is called doing. It is called doing. Doing mean karna. Doing mean karna. And what is the pronunciation of the word? Being. 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 Being mean किया जा रहा है या हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वर्क इज बीइंग डन. काम मुकम्मल हो रहा है. लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर रीडिंग. मोस्ट वर्ब्स आर वर्ड्स दैट डिस्क्राइब एक्शन. वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वॉक, रन, रीडिंग, हिट, एटसेट्रा. वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? वो एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. जैसे आप चलते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, इस तरह के जो एक्शंस होते हैं इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? वर्ब्स. दे टेल अस व्हाट समवन इज डूइंग. वो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है, और व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, या फिर क्या हो रहा है. अब ये दो टाइप्स हैं. इसमें एक में क्या होता है? एक्शंस को दिखाते हैं, मतलब एक्शन हो रहा होता है. और दूसरी इसकी क्या फॉर्म है? कुछ जो वर्ब्स होते हैं वो बीइंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. सम वर्ब्स आर being words. Some being words are here. You can see M is a being word. R is also a being word. Is, was, were, will be, that are called being words. For example, the frog hops into the water. In this example, we can see that दिस इज अ डूइंग वर्ब. यहाँ पे एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है. इट टेल्स अस व्हाट द फ्रॉग इज डूइंग. इसमें हमें पता चल रहा है कि फ्रॉग क्या कर रहा है. डेट आर कॉल्ड एक्शन वर्ब और डूइंग वर्ब. द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज हेयर. द फ्रॉग इज ग्रीन एंड ब्राउन. फ्रॉग क्या है, सब्ज और ब्राउन कलर में है. ठीक है. दिस इज अ बीइंग वर्ब is also a being verb. It tells us what the frog is. ये हमें बताता है कि frog है क्या, किस कलर में है. Copy the sentences, underline the doing verb in each one. Tadpoles nibbles wheat. Nibbles काट कर खाना. Tadpoles मेंढक. मेंढक क्या कर रहे हैं, घास को काट कर खा रहे हैं. Nibble is doing verb. Tadpoles switch their tails. Tails mean दुम. Switch mean जब लगाना. Tadpole क्या कर रहे हैं, दुम की मदद से हिट कर रहे हैं. Switch is doing verb. The frog jump. Jump mean उछलना. On to a rock. Rock mean पत्थर. Jump mean उछलना. Rock mean पत्थर. Jump is also a doing verb. Croaked. Croaked mean टर टर करना, loudly ऊंची आवाज से. द फ्रॉग क्रॉक लाउडली. फ्रॉग ऊंची आवाज से टर टर कर रहे हैं. क्रॉक इज आल्सो एक्शन एंड इट इज कॉल्ड डूइंग वर्ब. कंप्लीट ईच सेंटेंस विद द करेक्ट बीइंग वर्ब फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. एम, आर, इज, वाज, वर, will be that are called being verb. Please repeat with me. Am, are, is, was, were, will be that are called being verb. Let's start our filling the blanks. Tadpoles dash baby frog. Tadpoles are plural noun. That's why we use are. Tadpoles are baby frog. I dash too hard. We use am with I. I am too hard. I am too hard. Victoria was a queen of England. That's why it is also a singular noun. We use was. Victoria was queen of Britain. Victoria was queen of Britain. Ali dash good at spelling. Ali is good at spelling. Ali is also a singular noun. We use is for Ali. Ali is good at spelling. Page number 9. Making sure. Copy the sentences. Choose that correct doing verb from the brackets to fill each space. If you dash the ball, I will dash it. Catch mean पकड़ना. Please repeat with me. Catch mean पकड़ना. Catch mean पकड़ना. Throw mean फेंकना. Throw mean फेंकना. If you dash the ball, I will dash it. अगर तुम बॉल फेंकोगे तो मैं इसको कैच कर लूँगा. If you throw the ball, I will catch it. Cork dash on water but metal dash. Floats mean बहना. Floats mean बहना. Please repeat with me. Floats mean बहना. Sinks mean डूबना. Cork is the type of tree. दरख्त को कहते हैं cork. Sink on water. दरख्त पानी में डूब रहा है but metal floats. लेकिन धात बह रही है. Cork sinks on water but metal floats. A customer dash things but a shopkeeper dash them. As you know that customer buys things and shopkeeper sell them. Okay. Buy mean खरीदना. Sell mean बेचना. Please repeat with me. Buy mean खरीदना. Sell mean बेचना. A customer buys things but a shopkeeper sell them. A captain dash but the team dash. Lead mean कैप्टन लीड करता है और टीम उसको फॉलो करती है. A captain leads and the team follows. The child dashed the heavy weight and then dash it. The child lift the heavy weight बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, हैवी वेट को लिफ्ट कर रहा है, उठा रहा है, बट देन ड्रॉप्ड इट, लेकिन फिर वो इसको गिरा देता है। द वुमेन डैश अ होल, औरत क्या कर रही है, होल सुराख कर रही है, एंड देन डैश इट इन अगेन। द वुमेन dug a hole and then filled it in again. Page number 9. Question number 2. Copy the sentences. Underline the being verb in each one. Question number 1. Samir is a tall boy. Is a being verb. The doctor was late. Was is a being verb. Tomorrow will be Sunday. Will be is a being verb. The Vikings were good fighter. Were is a being verb. How are you today? Are is a being verb. I am tired. Am is also a being verb. Practice your punctuations. Punctuate the sentence in this story correctly. Let's start the translation. Suti looked up at the table hungrily. Suti is a name. Suti ने भूख की वजह से टेबल की तरफ देखा. The burglar was in its cage. ऑस्ट्रेलियन तोते को बर्जिगर कहते हैं. तोता पिंजरे में था. On the table, टेबल पर. The cat jumped up. बिल्ली ने जंप लगाया. The bird was frightened. परिंदा खौफजदा हो गया. मिसिस शार्प heard all the noise and ran into the room. मिसिस शार्प ने ये तमाम शोर सुना और कमरे में भाग गई. She was very angry with the cat. और वो बिल्ली के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा नाराज थी. Dear students, keep one thing in your mind. First letter is always capital in each line. We will write full stop at the end of the line. Let's start. Suti looked up at the table hungrily. Full stop. S is capital. The burglar was in its cage. Full stop. T is capital. On the table, the cat jumped up. O is capital. We will write comma. At the end of the line, we will write full stop. The bird was frightened. T is capital. Full stop. Mrs. Sharp heard all the noise. M is capital and ran into the room. Sentence is completed. That's why we will write full stop. She was very angry with the cat. S is capital. At the end of the line, I will write full stop. The second question is, in the sentence you have written, underline the doing verb. Underline the doing verb. Suti looked up at the table hungrily. Looked up is a doing verb, not being verb, because it's describe actions. The burglar was in its cage. Was is a doing verb. On the table, the cat jumped up. Jumped up is a doing verb. The bird was is a being verb.